Need firmware or technical documents for your FS SME Switch? In this video, we'll show you 2 quick ways to find firmware, user manuals, datasheets, configuration guides, and other product resources on fs.com. Before you start, make sure you have your Switch's product ID, which can be found on the product label or packaging. Both methods in this tutorial begin from the fs.com homepage. Method 1. Search from the product page. First, enter your product ID in the search bar on the fs.com homepage. Select your product from the search results to open the product detail page. Scroll down to the resource section to access product documents, including user manuals, data sheets, and configuration guides. To check the latest firmware, click Manage to view available firmware files and related resources. For previous firmware versions or archived documents, click View More in the upper right corner. Here, you can browse historical firmware files and other resources. You can also search for another product ID directly from this page without returning to the home page. Method 2. Find resources from the Document Center. From the fs.com homepage, go to Resources and select Documentation to open the Document Center. Enter your product ID to find firmware, manuals, installation guides, data sheets, and other technical documents. The Document Center is also recommended for finding resources for older or discontinued products. If you cannot find the document you need, contact your FS sales manager for further assistance. Finally, we hope this video helps you quickly find the firmware and product documents you need. Thanks for watching.